Today's recipe is nuts and bolts. Okay, we're going to start by melting our butter. I use salted butter, but you could also use unsalted if you like. And we'll transfer this to a bowl. And then we're going to add our seasoning. So we'll add our Worcestershire sauce, our seasoning salt, our garlic powder, our paprika, and our onion powder. And we'll stir that all up. And then we'll set this aside. And in a big roasting pan, we're going to add our cereals. So I have some Crispex cereal, some Rice Chex. Really, you can choose whatever cereals you want to add to this. Some Cheerios, add some pretzels and peanuts and a whole package of fish crackers, cheddar fish crackers. Yeah, you could add just cheddar crackers if you like. Now we're going to pour on our butter mixture. It's going to give that a stir. Sometimes the seasoning settles to the bottom, so we'll give it a stir. And then we'll pour it on top of our cereal mixture. And then we'll give this a good stir. To make sure everything is coated. You want all that seasoning amongst all of the mix. And you'll put this in a preheated oven of 275 and you'll bake it for about an hour, but stir it often. And when it's ready, take it out and let it cool and serve. This makes a great snack. You can put it in jars and give as gifts. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.